Bus stop bench, soaked through my jeans. Heavy rain drumming on busted roof seams. Strong wind flipping my collar and hair. I eat like a bird when I'm waiting out here. I use up all my patience on this corner. Use up all my warmth on this chill. Use up all my words on the clouds that wander till you roll in, till time stands still. Heavy rain, strong wind, same old us. Me and my thoughts, waiting for the bus. Thermos coffee, gone in one sip. Cold metal ticket, stuck to my lip. You say you eat like a horse when the day feels tough. I'm just eating seconds of not enough. I use up all my patience on this corner. Use up all my warmth on this chill. Use up all my words on the clouds that wander till you roll in, till time stands still. Heavy rain, strong wind, same old us. Me and my thoughts, waiting for the bus. Maybe this is how we grow, dripping shoes and missing shows. Using up the quiet hours, learning what the waiting holds. Use up all my patience on this corner. Use up all my warmth on this chill. Use up all my doubts on the thought you're coming, till empty hands finally fill. Heavy rain, strong wind, same old us. Me and my heart, waiting